Hey guys, it's Justin here with Walking with J-Man. Just entering the trailhead. I'm starting to head into the woods. See what we come across today. Hopefully some wildlife, some wildflowers. Who knows? I haven't been to this particular trail in a while, so we'll see. If you're new to the channel here, I appreciate you guys. Please feel free to leave a like and a subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this on the channel, doing some hiking, maybe some overnight camping, and hopefully soon do some more long distance road trips. Trail's really grown in really well. Everything looks really healthy. A lot of birds in here. I've already seen quite a few mice, little weasel, marten type looking things, the ground squirrels. We got some storm clouds coming kind of this way, so we'll see what the weather's gonna say about the rest of the hike. But well, hello. Oh, the wind feels great. Makes that beautiful sound as it goes through the trees. Birds are singing everywhere. But yeah, just getting some time in on the trail, getting some positive vibes. Trying to do a little mental health reset, so to speak. But I appreciate you guys. Again, please leave a like and subscribe. Love you guys. Get out and enjoy some nature, guys.